Mr. Shivaji Jadhav, counsel for Zebunissa Qazi. Thanks very much for speaking to us here on CNN IBN. Sir, the obvious question many will ask, was Sanjay Dutt's petition something, and the decision to that, was that what paved the way for all these grants of relief?
On 16th of April, our writ petition under Article 32 was rejected by the Honorable Supreme Court. There the prayer was that till the petition under Article 72 is disposed of by the Honorable President, they should be given temporary relief from surrendering. So after that, since yesterday, one of the co-accused in Bombay bomb blast case was given 4 weeks time. So we also requested the Honorable Court at 10:30 in the morning today to entertain our application seeking same relief. The Honorable Court was gracious enough to constitute a special bench, and at 2 o'clock, the Honorable Court entertained our applications and granted 4 weeks time to surrender.
And there was no legal argument that was put forth, it was simply on medical grounds?
No. Review petition of Zebunissa was dismissed by the Supreme Court. There was no legal arguments. Only argument, the only ground in the application was that the age of the applicants, all of them are more than 70 years. One is in fact 88 years old. Zebunissa is suffering from cancer. Only on medical grounds and also on the ground of parity. Since one of the co-accused has been granted 4 weeks time, we also sought the same relief which has been granted.
And Mr. Jadhav, one question that many will put forward is the fact that what changes for a senior citizen in 1 month's time? What does this 1 month's time mean really? Because nothing will eventually change towards the end of that. Is it just a delay?
So 4 months, 4 weeks time, this 1 month is a substantial period. That will be useful for two reasons. One is that in the meantime, their petition, their hopeful case will be disposed of by the Honorable President. And secondly, that they will be in a better mental condition to surrender, or even they can take care of their health also. 4 weeks is a substantial period. And the other thing is that one of the co-accused has been granted 4 weeks and they were not granted. That was also one factor weighing with them. So they approached us and we also filed application, and which was entertained by them.
So you're hoping that in these 4 weeks' time, there would be relief perhaps from the President's office as well regarding the clemency plea?
Yeah, that's what the applicants are hopeful.
And do we also presume, being the legal team representing Zebunissa Qazi, can we also expect any further legal strategy over this period of 4 weeks' time to further seek any kind of extensions?
We will not advise any further application because the review petition has been dismissed and now the extension has been granted by the Honorable Supreme Court. That is also in very rarest of rare cases such extension is granted, because once the criminal appeal is disposed of on merits, only remedy is by filing a review petition. So the court was kind enough to grant us 4 weeks time because of their age and the medical condition.
So essentially, to sum up, we presume that in this 1 month's time you're hoping that the clemency plea is taken care of. If not, then there's no further legal strategy at all.
Yes sir, no further. We will not advise them.
And Mr. Jadhav, did you speak to Zebunissa Qazi after that? Because we've also been trying to get in touch with her, but did you have a word with her conveying this message?
No, her daughter is here. Her daughter is here. She must have conveyed to her. I spoke to her daughter, not to Zebunissa.
All right, Mr. Jadhav. Thank you very much for clarifying some of those points. All right, that was Mr. Shivaji Jadhav appearing for Zebunissa Qazi there, clarifying some of those points. So legally speaking, over the next 1 month's time, 4 weeks' time, that has been granted to Zebunissa Qazi to surrender. She is allowed to go get herself treated, allowed to get the best medical attention. But after that, there's no further legal hope as far as courts are concerned that can come to the aid of Zebunissa Qazi. The only thing that her legal team and Zebunissa Qazi would be hoping for is perhaps if a clemency plea that is pending with the President's office, that is taken care of and that is deliberated upon. But otherwise, let's not forget that jail, imprisonment is imminent in this particular case. It is just delayed.